this weekend or next Tuesday on Halloween, and you're going to need more than candy to feed those guests. No worries. We got chefs from Meijer. They got some great Halloween-themed recipes to share. Chef Brian and Jen are here. Hi.
Morning, Todd. Thanks for having us.
Are you kidding me? I love themed recipes. They're always fun. And then the first one's even the best. Vampire fighting chicken?
Absolutely. It is a great time of year for fun recipes, family-friendly things that you can do with the kids. So what we've done here is a couple of really easy recipes you can do for Halloween night. So we like to do is really simple things. Everybody's running around putting costumes on. The kids are running around all over the house. So we're going to do a 4-ingredient taco.
And I love that you have the slow cooker out. So
and the slow cooker.
I don't even have to be near the oven.
You don't have to be near the oven. Super easy. So we're just going to turn our slow cooker on to high.
Okay.
And then if you can add the 4 ingredients for us, what we have here is some pulled rotisserie chicken.
Is this the vampire fighting chicken?
This is not quite the vampire fighting part.
Okay. I don't know if you went to a certain, like Transylvania has chickens or
no, not to my knowledge. So we're going to do our pulled rotisserie chicken meat, Meijer taco seasoning mix.
Who doesn't love the convenience of those rotisserie chickens, man? They're so quick and easy.
Absolutely. And then this is the vampire fighting
this is the vampire.
Our roasted garlic salsa from Frederick's.
All right. So lots of garlic.
Whole jar right in there.
The whole jar's going in.
One whole jar right in there. And then a little bit of vegetable or chicken stock, or you could even cheat with a little bit of water. Oh, nice. You are going to get the sous chef.
Pro tip.
Perfect.
Rinse out the rest of my salsa there.
Great. And then if you could just give that a quick stir.
I will. So this is literally 4 ingredients.
4 ingredients. This is it. We're going to put a lid on it, and we're going to let this warm up on the countertop for about an hour. Okay. That's it. You're done. Dinner is ready. So, and then the good thing about this
on my kids at this point, but
is kind of the versatility of this recipe. So a couple things we can do with this is we can build tacos if you're kind of in a little bit more of the mood for that this evening. Or you can do like sloppy joes or nachos, any of those things. So if you got a couple of picky eaters around the house, you've got lots of options here.
Excellent.
So very simple, 4 ingredients. Dinner's done in an hour. You can let it sit on the counter and go chase the kids around the house.
Sprinkle some cheese on that, and I call it a day, right? And I like that. Thank you, because
you're welcome.
There's a lot going on. There's a lot
going on Halloween.
Around Halloween. Jen, what do you got over here? You got like a guacamole, not charcuterie, guacamole board.
Yes, yes. So we have some Meijer guacamole. We have the mild guacamole in case your kiddos don't want it to be too spicy, but we also have original and spicy if you're doing this for like an adult themed party. Yeah, exactly. And to make things even easier, if you wanted to use our Meijer vegetable tray, everything's already prepped, ready to go.
Thank you for doing the work.
Yeah, and then I put some Colby Jack cheese so you can.
I gotta give this guy his proper camera time. 'Cause there you go.
Made a little Frankenstein face. I know.
The guacamole has been turned into Frankenstein. Are you kidding me? I love this. It's super cute.
Yeah, so that's a fun thing too. If you want to prep all the veggies before the kids come home, they can help build the face.
Excellent.
Love playing with it.
I like it. And then finally, guys, you got 2 of my favorite things put into one, and I want to know how you're going to pull this off. Caramel apples, love them.
Yep.
Nachos, love them. Caramel apple nachos?
Yes.
Okay, what is that?
So this is kind of like a fun, deconstructed caramel apple. Really good for a party, good for a crowd. Everyone can have their individual slices. So we already have our Honeycrisp apples sliced here.
Good choice.
And then I'm going to have you help me drizzle on our dessert topping. So we have some Frederick's s'mores.
Oh, it's like s'more topping, so it's like marshmallowy chocolate?
Yep. So good.
Would it be wrong if I just ate this? Like,
that is my absolute favorite.
Because I'm kind of a caramel addict.
Yes, so that is our brown butter caramel. That's so good on so many different fall desserts.
Okay.
Yep, so drizzle that over.
I'm really hoping, I'm envisioning my children right now, and so we're going to need a utensil, right? I mean, I eat nachos with my fingers, but I don't want my daughter putting her fingers in. Is this finger food, or can I put some toothpicks out?
That is actually a great idea.
Okay.
Yes, yes. And we're going to top it with some of the Halloween lunch mix.
That's cute.
Yes.
All right, so we get a little nuts,
yeah,
a little chocolate.
Nuts, little Reese's Pieces.
Oh, man, that looks so good.
Oh, yeah.
So this is good for the kids. This is good for even the grown-ups, too, if they're looking for a dessert. You've got a Halloween dinner coming up. If you're throwing a party this weekend, these are easy. And where do we find all of this great stuff?
All these great ingredients can be found at Meijer.
You know it. And Meijer.com is the website you should go. I'm there often. I do a lot of online shopping for my groceries.
Nice.
Yeah, shop Meijer at Meijer.com and get yourself some Halloween recipe ideas. We'll have those recipes up at fox17morningmix.com. We'll be right back.